Hi guys, so I will be doing a video how much did we spend for 1 week, but instead of starting Monday, which is the usual, we will start it ng Tuesday, since Tuesday nag-reset kami ng budget namin because that's usually when our salary comes in. So today is 6:34 a.m. Daddy bought our breakfast, which is puto and sekwate. Spent 100 pesos for that. So baby parcels for 1,251. So we had our car wash today, 370, which includes vacuum. Sa dihang giitihan ang sakyanan. Nagpaluto ako ng Bicol Express. That was 288 plus 48 lamas. Primus uniform for 800, 2 pairs already. Total of 3,257 for day 1. Lolo and Lola's going on vacation, so I gave them 2,000. Dinner, total of 4,476.
Oh shit.
No picture, video, but we bought Jollibee for midnight snack, which is for 517. We bought some groceries today, and that was 2,136 pesos.
Oh, gini mo bata ako. Pero medyo ka bata ako.
Again. Grabe guys, I was so stressed nung kino-compute ko na yung total expenses namin for the entire week. Hindi ko talaga in-expect na aabot kami sa ganitong amount. I know that big factor yung mga parcels dahil this week kasi kami namili ng mga gamit ni baby, kaya yon napalaki talaga yung expenses namin doon. So just a recap, day 1 we spent a total of 3,257. Day 2 we spent 4,476. Day 3 that was a total of 4,349. Day 4 3,240. Day 5 809. Day 6 404. Then day 7 3,157. All in all, that's a total of 19,692. So yun, malaki talaga siya guys. Again, this is not the normal expenses that we have in a week. Ngayon lang to kasi ngayon kami namili ng mga gamit ni baby. So there you go. I hope you enjoyed this video. You'll learn something at least. Have a good day, everyone.